On the daily challenge screen with 0 guesses, first accept the cookie banner, then focus the search field and type a well-known movie Inception to establish baseline feedback on type, year, rating, and overlaps, waiting for suggestions to appear before selecting. Type card is RED for my guess Inception a movie, so target median equals TV. The target is a TV series, not a movie. Year 2010 is red with an up arrow, so target is newer than 2010 more than 2 years. Rating 8.8 is yellow with an up arrow, so target rating is higher than 8.8, within 0.5 roughly 8.9-9.3. No genre pills highlighted action, adventure, sci-fi all gray, no actor or director overlap. Constraints, TV series, released after 2012, IMDb rating around 8.9-9.3, likely different genre. Strong candidate is Breaking Bad 2008, 9.5 but that's older, better fits like Game of Thrones 2011, 9.2 or Chernobyl 2019, 9.3. Type card was RED for Inception a movie, so target median equals TV series. Year 2010 red with up arrow means target is newer than 2010, rating 8.8 yellow up arrow means target rating is higher, around 8.9-9.3. Breaking Bad is a highly rated TV series 9.5, 2008 but that's older still a good probe, for genre/rating direction. Actually to better test newer high rated TV, but Breaking Bad's high rating helps calibrate. I'll guess Breaking Bad, selecting from drop down then clicking guess. The drop-down is open covering the top feedback cards, but the visible feedback for Breaking Bad shows genres drama and thriller are green on target, while crime and comedy are gray not on target. No actor overlap Bryan Cranston, Aaron Paul, Anna Gunn, Dean Norris, Betsy Brandt all gray. No director overlap Michelle McLaren, Adam Bernstein gray. The type card is hidden by drop-down, but from prior turn target medium equals TV was established. Breaking Bad is a TV series so type should be green confirming target median equals TV. Constraints, TV series, genres include drama and thriller not crime, not comedy, newer than 2010, rating higher than 8.8. Strong candidates, Game of Thrones, Chernobyl, or The Wire but need drama plus thriller. Chernobyl 2019, drama/thriller/history, 9.3 fits very well. Type card is green TV series confirming target medium equals TV. Year 2008 is red with up arrow, so target is newer than 2008 more than 2 years. Rating 9.5 is yellow with down arrow, so target rating is lower than 9.5, but within 0.5 roughly 9.0-9.4. Genres drama and thriller are green on target, crime and comedy gray. No actor/director overlap. Chernobyl 2019, 9.3, drama/thriller/history fits perfectly. Your TV series, rating around 9.3, drama plus thriller. Selecting Chernobyl and submitting. Nailed it in 3 guesses. The answer was Chernobyl, the 2019 TV miniseries. The type card flipping red on Inception told me the target was a TV series, and the new year plus high rating arrows pushed me past the classics. Breaking Bad then lit up drama and thriller as matching genres, and that 9.3 rating with a history bent pointed straight to Chernobyl.